So we're looking at the iGCSE Edexcel 1 to 9 series 2018 June paper 1. This is question 6. It's on 3C waves EM Spectru. There's the sort of formulas we would expect to see on a paper 1. You can decide if you need any, we'll see in a second. So the starter of this question is fairly straightforward. Which of these parts has the longest wavelength? Let's have a think. It should be, of course, C, the longest wavelength. That should be straightforward. A has the shortest, B is shorter than radio, and D has the shorter wavelength as well than radio. Two properties, the same for all parts of the EM spectrum. Let's look. Well, same speed. They would allow you to write 3 times 10 to the 8, which is kind of weak, but you get away with it. Second marking point, they're all transverse waves. You need to say transverse, so that's the motion side to side compared to the direction of energy travel, or at 90 degrees. They can all travel through a vacuum, because they can, unlike a sound wave. And they all transfer energy, so lots of scope there, just for actual learning. Now, 6C, this is discuss a use and a harmful effect. So clear use, clear harmful effect for 3 parts of the spectrum, so 6 marks available. There's a whole list, I'm not going to read all these out, but if you look, each one clearly has a use and a harm. So for example, gamma, radiotherapy, treating cancer, sterilising medical equipment, food, radioactive traces. The harm is it can also cause cancer cell mutation. They're expecting really for you to do 3 different examples in a clear sentence, so I would definitely start by saying what is the use. They say the use for gamma is clearly this, blah blah blah, and then the harmful effect of gamma is this. And it's really important that you're very clear on your English, so 6 marks for that. It's again something you've got to learn. You've got to learn. You can get away with saying something about radio use for communications, but there is no harmful effect. So it's the bad one to use, isn't it? Whereas, you know, microwaves are good, infrared is a better one, ultraviolet, X-ray, anything that's got a harm and a use. So it's good practice to learn some of these ideas. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed.